In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns in Notion. Whether you're tidying up a database or making your table easier to read, getting column widths just right can make a big difference in how you work. First, head over to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click login and enter your usual credentials. Once you're in, go to your workspace so you can access your content. From there, open the page where your table is located. This could be a database in table view or any page that contains a table block. Give the page a second to load so all the columns and headers are visible. To resize a column, move your mouse to the top of the table and hover over the border between the headers of two columns. You'll know you're in the right spot when your mouse cursor changes into a horizontal resize icon, the one that looks like a line with arrows pointing left and right. If you don't see it immediately, slide your mouse slowly along the border until it appears. Once that icon shows up, click and hold on the border. While holding, drag left to make the column narrower or right to make it wider. Release the mouse when the column is the size you want. You can do this for any column in the table, and Notion will apply the change instantly so you can see how your content reflows as you adjust. If your column contains longer text or titles, give it a bit more room so nothing gets cut off. For columns with short values like checkboxes, numbers, or tags, tightening the width helps save space and keeps the view compact. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Move slowly for precision, especially if you're on a trackpad. If your pointer slips off the exact border, just hover again until the horizontal resize icon returns. Remember that column width changes are saved automatically, so once it looks good, you're done, no extra action needed. Also, resizing is view specific, which means the widths you set here apply to this particular table view, keeping other views independent and clutter-free. That's all there is to it. Go to notion.com, log in, open your workspace, navigate to the page with your table, hover over the border between two column headers until you see the horizontal resize icon, and drag to adjust the width to your preference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick productivity tips.